Do you want to become a wedding planner? If so, this video is for you. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Annie. In this video, we're going to tell you all about becoming a wedding planner. We interviewed the principal planner of We Do Weddings at Vancouver, BC, Canada. She's going to share with us on her journey, how she became a wedding planner, as well as some communication tips that you could use once you enter this field. This is How Real Life Works, a channel where we talk about all the things that the school doesn't teach you. If young people were to aspire to become like a wedding planner, what can they do now? I wonder what can they do to prepare themselves for it?
So I do encourage, again, like I mentioned, try to do a lot of events. But any kind of events provide you experience, because event itself doesn't matter, wedding, birthday, corporate, the format is the same. You need the similar concept, basic of it. So the logistic is similar. So do as many events as possible and find out if this is really what you want. Because event industry is not easy. This is not a easy money industry or anything like that. Like I have friends who told me like, oh my gosh, I'm making so much. I don't know where my money comes from. And I'm like, I know exactly each penny where that's coming from. You know, like it's not, it's really, you have to have that passion for this industry in particular in order to stay in the industry. So yeah, try to just see if you really like to plan events, try to do your friend's birthday, try to do student clubs and all that, host different kinds of events, party, consider as an event too. How to execute a good party is not easy.
What are some like communication tips for people who's starting out to plan events and like struggling?
Well, definitely be patient, and listening is very important. So listen to your audience, listen to your clients, listen to people around what they're looking for. Like you mentioned, like birthday party or dinner even, like everyone has a different opinion, right? So how do you conclude? How do you find a conclusion out of all these different opinions and trying to convince other people? So before this job, I was in sales. So I was in sales for a long time. So being a sales is that you have to talk to different people all the time, every day. And I was in retail too. So, you have to face a lot of customers. So definitely like listening is very important. So listen to what they wanted to tell you, what they're thinking, and what they wanted to get out of this conversation. So I think that's one really important. And of course, you build as you go and you make mistake and then you learn from it.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found some useful tips on how to become a wedding planner. If you have any more questions, you're welcome to leave it in the comment section below and we will get right back to you. If you are a high school student and you are intrigued to become a content creator, you're welcome to join our team. We could teach you all about the stuff that we know, such as video editing, audio editing, scheduling guests, as well as writing copy for YouTube SEOs and podcast SEO. Check out the link in the description and we will be in touch in no time. Finally, if you like this video, remember to subscribe and follow and turn on that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.